Guys, what's up? This is the second part of Ratchet and Clank playthrough, and I'm playing as Clank right now. I'm playing on the planet Orxon. Look at Clank. He can punch, easy signals, and I want to show you guys something. Look at these guys over here. Come here. Look at them. Aww. Hold on. Let me get them set up. They're moving around and stuff. Wait, hold on. Look at them. Hey, they're like the Beatles. I mean, look at them. Yeah, wait, hold on. Look at that. Look at that. They're like like my Beatles like in the Beatles pack when they were in Washington. And the Beatles are in Washington. Look. That's awesome. And let's set another one free. And let's set another one free, and then they instantly turn into the Rolling Stones. Sweet! Yay! Come along! And there's another one! There's another one. They stopped them. And why is this, like, now they're the Grateful Dead. Sweet. We got the Grateful Dead. They're just actually my posse. They're my homies. Let's go, homies. Hold on, let's just go down. So rotate the camera around. Yeah. We're the homie. We're the homie alliance. We're the homies. The homie alliance. Come on. Okay, come on. Enter. What the fuck? Go, guys. Bye. I love you. See, I did that dramatically and awesomely. Now I know what to do. Let's go, Clank. So what we need to do here on Orxon is get explore with Clank, and I'm pretty sure you get the O2 mask from here, and that's what will allow Ratchet to breathe on this planet because there's toxic fumes. That's why I'm playing as Clank, because he don't have to take that shit. That's for Ratchet. Okay, you guys wait right there. There. Did it. Oh crap. Man, you better be part of the bros. You better be with us, bros. Because if you aren't, I'll rip your balls off and I'll feed them to sharks. Get those nuts and bolts. Okay, dude, I'll set you free. Hold on. I'll set you free soon. Just need to get all these nuts and bolts and stuff. It's your mama granny. I'm thinking. You know what? Let's go, Beatles. Guys, like, come on. You guys gonna go already? Okay then, you guys stay right freaking there and let me do everything. I promise. Yeah, don't worry, it'll work. You guys just do absolutely nothing. I'll do this. Stay. Oh, hell no. Gotta check if everyone's here. Come on. How did two of them get off? Good. Good boys and girls and Morgan Freeman. Call one of them Morgan Freeman. Okay, you'll be named... Wow, I'm surrounded. Okay, first one there. You're Morgan Freeman. You are... Frank. You are... Poopy Pants. You are Fucktard. You are Cheeseburger. And you are Clematis Juice. Okay, you guys gotta remember that, okay? Because here I go. I'm the commander. Oh, something exploded. I don't know. I can't fit through there because I'm totally big enough too. Look, I can fit through there. Why can't I get through there? I don't know. Bye, guys. There's one more. Dang it! I forgot one, didn't I? I must have. Fine, then I'll go back. What were you doing? Where were you this entire time? Okay, you... Come with me, you fucking piece of dog shit. Enter it. Stay right there. Piece of shit. Bye-bye. I'll call him Jerry. Fine. Oh, there's things over there. Hold on, let me see. Is there anything I can break here? That seems to be a picture of Gaspar. They all seem to be pictures of Gaspar. Eerily. All of them do. Punch you in the frickin'... I'll punch you into Caesar salad. I'll punch you all in the salad. That's what I'm gonna do. Bitch, you do not want to be punched in the salad.
These magnet boots are a device designed for climbing special metal surfaces. However, your feet appear to be too small.
That's why I need to give him the Ratchet. Bitch, I can't play as Clank through the whole game. That'd be too fun. Oh my god. Oh wait, did I have to go up there? I am not going over there unless Ratchet has the... Okay then, I need to go back up there then. Okay then, here I go. I'm gonna need you to survive, buddy. What are those things? I'm gonna need you. You're okay, buddy. Run. Run. Green Day. Yeah, this is Green Day, because there's 3 members there. Now it's the Beatles. I do not want to jump in there, never mind. Come on, Beatles, pick it up. shit. Shit! You fucking balls. Bullshit. Okay, it's bullshit. Crock of shit. Actually, let's take you two with me first. And then I'll... Oh, some bitches rode you off, did they? Please tell me, did some bitches ride you off? Fuck! Piece of dog... piece of shit. Okay, they're just a piece of shit. And then they're both... You bitch! Oh my god, now I'm gonna have to get them again, you dick biscuit. This is gonna be very hard for me. Let's go, you fucktards. Yes, go through the freaking mine. Go through this field. It's so You stupid motherfucker. Come here, you stupid motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker. You better get... Fine then. Fine then. You stay. And I'll take this motherfucker with me. And you can just shut the hell up. Because you're being a fucking dick face. Let's go. Quickly. I regret taking one of them. But I had to, because one of those ass wipes didn't want to go. There's only 4 of them. What the fuck? Okay, let's go back. I need the O2 mask. I need to do this. Fuck! Bullshit. I'm gonna have to get another. I'm gonna have to get one of those back. Oh god. Oh, there's the others. Come on, you. Let's go. Okay, let's go, Simon and Garfunkel, because there's only 2 of you, and that's basically it. Come on, Simon. Come on, Garfunkel. Oh, you stupid motherfucking fizzy thingy. Fizzle. Hut, hut, hut. Let's go, let's go. Come on, we gotta go, you bitches. It's the two bitches, come on. So we're both bitches. Come on, Simon, come on, Garfunkel. Yes. Bye. Bye, Simon, bye, Garfunkel. I call them Garfartle. Garfartle. Sussman and Garfartle. Garfartle. Why is Garfartle? I don't even... There's only two of them, so... There's only two of those orb thingies. I don't even know what they are. Stupid minefield thingy. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. I believe these things wouldn't really harm Ratchet that much. But since I'm Clank, that's a fucking crock of shit. Oh shit. Some bitches rode you off, did they? Hope there's only two left. Yeah, I can't remember. There's 2 left. I don't know. Come on. Come on, Sussman and Garfartle. Sussman and Garfartle. Simon and Garfunkel. Okay, there's 3. 3 is there. Goodbye, Simon and Garfunkel. So there's 1 left. Now where the hell is that little fucker? Come on, where is that Macklemore? I'll name him Macklemore. Name him after musicians. Macklemore's a solo artist. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. Just because you wear your granddad's clothes doesn't make you incredible. Or maybe it does. Your grandpa has stylish clothes. He has them overalls and they look pimp. Amazing. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. Oh, he's back at the start. He was the... Yes. Okay, come on, Macklemore. Macklemore, let's go. Come on. Either that or he can be... I don't know. Look what comes out there. Shit. Come on, Macklemore. It's 99 cents. I don't care. I don't care if it was 99 cents. Let's go trudging. Trudging through the mud. Those gadget bots are really freaking obedient and loyal. They will do whatever you say. Actually, no, that would be very perverted. Don't think about that. Don't you dare. Attack him. Well, he's gonna attack them, okay. Fucking killed him, you piece of shit. Go get him, fuckers. Okay, that's it, you're dead. I'm a puncher. I can pimp. Oh shit. Go. Go get him, fucker. No, you killed my homies. Go get him, homies. I can't take those guys. Holy shit. He's kicking our asses. And he is being a pimp. Damn it, they killed him. I got a good idea. Set them all. Let's set them all free. Set 4 of them free. They're gonna all attack those guys. Attack all those motherfuckers. Attack all the motherfuckers. Go get them, boys. 10? Oh, hell yes. We're gonna get 10 of them out here. Gonna get 10 bros out here. Sweet. Okay, we're gonna get 10 bros out here. This is gonna be amazing. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. Okay, there's about 1, 2, 6 of you. Jeez! Hightail it, run. Okay, you're gonna have to stay there for a second while I pull this shit out of my ass and start getting things right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at these friggers. Wait, I got 10 homies with me. Look. All those attacking. That would be a nightmare. Look at them all. Now we got a shit ton of them. See, I'm a freaking awesome man. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. Okay. Let's go, guys. Now watch this. We're like an we're gonna be an army. Da 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 da. We're going to fight, and that's how we became the Brady Bunch. Bye, guys. Wait, there's one missing? Where is he? Is he back at the start? How is there one that's missing? Oh, there you are. You got left behind. I'm sorry. Come here, Macklemore. Macklemore or less? Well, less one. Because say goodbye to all the other homies for me. Would you stop? Thank you. Thank you. I love you. There's an infobot over there, but I'm not gonna get him yet. Cause I wear your granny. Okay, that's getting stuck in my head. Balls galore! Man, that thing is a pimped out boob gun. It's a nipple gun. That probably turns Clank on. Because that's a nipple gun.
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Infobot for planet Pokataru. I think I remember this one, I'm not sure. Wonder what it's about. Where it is, what it does. Holy balls, 10 freaking gadget bots. Let's go, Clank. Pokataru doesn't really ring per se. Gotta do something. Oh wait, why did I just do that? Well, I saved it, okay. So I gotta go back through here. Back to the ship. So what was it that Ratchet... Why is it that Clank couldn't show Ratchet? Why couldn't he show us? Is this gonna be revealed at the end? I don't know! Sizzling on the private parts. Jesus. What? Oh. Okay, I gotta run. Getting it on like Donkey Kong out there. Ratchet, I'm home. I got back. You fucking sack of shit. You didn't come with me.
Hey, you giving me these or not?
They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
Oh. What do you have in there?
Ears, metal filings, dust.
You know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our missions.
Is it something about Quark?
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24
What
hours
the
a day.
fuck?
Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm waters. The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea.
Ooh.
You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
July Resort. Pokitaru.
I knew it.
Oh, come on. Switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.
Nice comeback. Pokataru, it's like... I don't know why I'd ever go to there, because it's on the outer rim. It's like on the outer rim of the galaxy. Remember in Star Wars, the outer rim and the inner rim or something? You know, Utapau was on the outer rim, and that was freaking bullshit. I farted. No, just kidding, that was a shit. Looks like Earth. Only not like Earth. Well, it has green and... Now I remember this. This was the resort. This was the resort. And I have to swim underwater a lot. Well, it's nice playing as Ratchet again because... Wait, whoa. Good the... Oh, I'm out of blaster ammo. Damn it. Why am I out of blaster ammo? Did I really waste it?
I got some great bargains for you today.
I got a lot of new weapons, apparently. Did not know that. Wait, I need to get more of those ammo. Those...
Hi there, Fuzzball. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, so I got the Walloper, the Visibomb gun, and decoy glove. I know what those things are. Now I know what that is. Look at this. I could be in the freaking... I could beat up Muhammad Ali with this bitch. Want me to punch you in the fat belly?
You two are the first friendly faces I've seen in weeks. You are friendly, aren't you?
To you, yes. To him, no.
Well, friend, have I got a deal for you? Since the Blarg began dumping their toxic sludge into our ocean, the wildlife has,
Become ravenous mutants?
yeah, you could say that. All my customers either left or became lunch. So I'm closing the place down. However, I just so happen to have one, count 'em one, O2 mask left.
How much?
It's not for sale.
But you said...
I said I had a deal, and indeed I do. You boys get rid of those Blarg ships, and it's yours. Just escort me to the other end of this resort, and you can use our jet fighter.
Jet fighter, eh? All right. But you better not try to stiff us.
Sweet. I'm gonna get a jet fighter if I just, you know, do a little bit of exterminating. First I gotta hit you in the knees. You are indestructible, holy fuck. Ew, I do not want to go into your pressures. I do this shit. Jedi whack. Jedi whack. Ow, you fuckers. Piece of shit. Oh, he follows me. Oh, that's fucking beautiful. Did they just laugh when I shot it? Better not, because that's bullshit. Got two. Holy shit. Hold on, I forgot to get ammo for it. Hold on, asshole, I forgot to get ammo for my shit.
I got some great bargains for you today. Oh, that's a nice one.
Gotta get ammo for my shit. You do know that. Let's go. Whoa, did you see that? Oh, fuck you. Bitch. Bitch. How did I get the... What the fuck? that much low health. Pyro cider. I'm frying some fish tonight. Told you I was frying some fish. Oh, that was a close one. Hold on, fatso. You fat fuck. Fuck. Where are we going? Jesus Christ, that guy can jump. That guy can jump with a fucking kangaroo on steroids. That is a kangaroo puking up its... Wait, what? That's not like anything. Damn! Die! Gee, Jesus, shut up! Wow, that was easy. Why am I using the... Oh my god, the pyro cider is effective in this shit. You can go through water. Holy fuck, you are such a magician. You can frickin' use the force. You could go through water. Okay, I'm gonna have to use the bomb blow for this one. No, not the Devastator. That's a waste. Boom shakalaka laka. Using this. Wait a minute, you. Oh, fucking hell no. What the fuck? A piece of shit. How much? Oh, ball sack. I wonder if the Devastator would be good for this. I just wasted. Wait a minute. How That rock is moving! There's a rock right freaking here that is moving when I get... That thing just fucking moved. I am now scared to death. I wonder if I can just use suck in. Shit! Oh, fuck. I'll escort you, bitch, then. Whoa. Pretty cool. Skills. Was that skills? Was that just bull? Fuck! Fatso, what are you doing? Well then, fine then. Wait there. Wait. If you want to. Whoa. Pretty cool. This game was made in 2002 and yeah, it looks still pretty cool. Still looks way better. You want some shit? You wanna fucking... You sure you wanna do something? Here, you wanna...
We're here. Now where's that fighter?
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourists, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at his robo-chat. He knows about these locks.
You piece of shit!
You'll need to use the
God damn. That's all I'm gonna do for now. So, see you guys. Until next time, peace out, guys.